Don't lose your memories. Secure your data today at cielogotbackup.com.
Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into something that affects literally every single person who uses a phone or a computer, which, let's face it, is all of us. We're unpacking the ultimate guide to protecting your digital footprint in 2026. Let's jump right in. Listen, pause for just a second and really think about this. What would you do if your computer completely died right now, in this exact moment, and you lost all your files? Think about the immediate crushing panic of losing every single photo, document, video, and piece of work you've ever saved. It's a total digital catastrophe. It's that awful stomach-dropping feeling we all dread.
And look, that nightmare scenario isn't some dystopian sci-fi movie. It's an everyday reality. We aren't just talking about elaborate movie villain hacking schemes here. We're talking about theft. We're talking about aggressive viruses and crippling ransomware. We're talking about unpredictable hard drive failures, fires, floods, and honestly, just plain old human error. I mean, who among us hasn't accidentally deleted a crucial folder or come dangerously close to spilling a hot cup of coffee right on our keyboard? Millions of people lose their irreplaceable info every year to these super common threats. But the good news? There is a simple, automatic, and totally affordable way to protect yourself.
Okay, so moving into section 1. What exactly is a cloud backup and why are we going beyond the standard hard drive? Now, here is a super common trap. People totally mix up file syncing with an actual backup. Simply syncing files, like using a standard cloud folder, means that if you accidentally delete a file on your laptop, or if ransomware encrypts your local files, that error instantly duplicates to the cloud. You are still completely vulnerable. But a true cloud backup, that safely archives a protected, isolated copy. It works completely independently of your local device's failures, meaning your data stays untouched even if your computer completely goes down. Which brings us to section 2, the GotBackup solution, backed by over 25 years of international experience. Think of GotBackup as this invisible, impenetrable shield. The system creates automated copies, meaning you never have to remember to hit save or drag and drop folders, which is amazing because, let's be real, we all say, I'll back that up tomorrow, and then we never ever do. It provides incredibly easy recovery and anywhere access. But most importantly, it offers multi-device protection. It seamlessly covers everything from your PC to your smartphone, ensuring your emails, photos, and videos are locked down with heavy-duty, secure encryption. This encrypted isolation is literally your definitive defense against modern ransomware attacks. And honestly, the best part? The setup process removes all the technical friction. You simply install the application, choose your folders, configure your automated schedule, and just let it work. You literally point the software at what you want to save, and it practically runs itself in the background forever. It's true security on absolute autopilot. Let's ground this in reality for section 3, a real-life rescue, saving priceless memories. Take this family, for example. They shared, "We thought we lost all the photos of our children when the laptop vanished, but thanks to the cloud backup, we recovered absolutely everything." Just imagine the sheer panic of thinking your children's earliest memories were gone forever just because of a stolen notebook. Now, imagine that deep pit in your stomach being instantly replaced by overwhelming relief when the automated backup restored every single image. That massive emotional rescue is exactly what this technology is built for. So, section 4. Who actually needs this? Protecting every digital citizen. You might be wondering, is my data really important enough for this? Well, look at this list. Students, entrepreneurs, photographers, content creators, lawyers, doctors, accountants, remote workers, families, seniors. Whether you're a doctor handling highly sensitive patient records, a photographer who absolutely cannot afford to lose a client's wedding shoot, a student writing a master's thesis, or just a grandparent saving precious family videos, everyone generates critical info. Every single person on this list creates a digital history that deserves strict, uncompromised protection. Moving right along to section 5, busting common security myths so you don't fall for these traps. We've all heard or even made these excuses, but they're fundamentally flawed. Saying my PC is brand new ignores the fact that hardware can fail on day 1 just as easily as day 1000. Arguing I already use Google Drive gives you a false sense of security because, as we covered earlier, simple syncing is not a true isolated backup. Thinking viruses don't affect me or, well, it's never happened to me before, totally ignores the harsh reality that ransomware targets everyone blindly. Past luck absolutely does not guarantee future safety. All right, section 6, essential security tips for fortifying your digital life.
Combining a robust tool like GotBackup with basic digital hygiene creates a virtual fortress around your life. Enable auto backups, obviously, but also commit to using strong, unique passwords. Turn on two-factor authentication for that crucial extra layer of defense. Keep your operating system and antivirus software regularly updated to patch vulnerabilities. Never, ever open suspicious files or weird email attachments. And finally, just take 5 minutes to verify your backups periodically just to ensure everything is running exactly as expected. When you really break it down, the cost of a secure backup is literally pennies compared to the devastating price of losing years of hard work and irreplaceable family memories. Investing a tiny amount of time and money today is infinitely better and vastly cheaper than paying the massive emotional and professional price of losing your entire digital history tomorrow. So, as we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with a provocative thought. Before you head over to noob.gotbackup.com to start protecting your digital life with a free trial, drop a comment below and tell us honestly, what is the one single file you would be absolutely devastated to lose? Is it a specific family video, the manuscript you've been grinding on for years? Think about it, protect it, and take action today. Thanks so much for exploring this with me, and stay digitally safe out there.